Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. ANGELLE here, what it do? And today you guys, I'm coming at you with another unboxing. So if you would like to see what I got, then keep on watching. Okay. Alright you guys, so I ordered something that is a new item, but the colors that it came in, I was just like, you know, not really me. So I was perusing on other websites, Dillard's of course, and I found this in this colorway, and I was like, I have to get it. I absolutely have to get this. You guys, when I tell you it's so cute online. Y'all ready? Oh my goodness, are you guys ready? It's from Coach, of course. Your girl has been on a Coach kick lately. Like, I don't know what that's all about, but she's really been on a Coach kick. But let me show you. Just my receipt. Let's open this, y'all. I could not wait for this to get here. Okay. Oh. Y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Oh, look at it. Look at it, y'all. Oh my goodness. This is the Coach Rowan 18. The Coach Ruby Satchel. Girl, I'm talking about Rowan. Too many bags. This is the Coach Ruby Satchel in the size 18, you guys. And this is in the color Army Green Multi, okay? So while we unwrap this, let me tell you how I got this bag. I got this bag because the other colors of this bag, well, this bag, it was like a papaya color, which is like an orange color, and then it was like a red orange. I like orange and everything, but for a bag, no. Like, I really wouldn't wear it that much, you know what I'm saying? So I don't know what made me go on Dillard's, because I just knew that Dillard's sell Coach as well. But I went on Dillard's and I was like, oh my God, they have this bag in green. And I was like, yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. Okay. And they have this bag in a size 25. The 25 comes with snake skin. The handles are snake skin or whatever. I don't do reptiles. She does not do reptiles at all. And I was like, no, no. So when I saw this one, I was like, yes. So this one, come on, honey. The handles on here are just black. You know what I'm saying? I was like, this is me. Now, of course, this is the size 18. The other one, the other green one with the snake, that's in a size 25. One moment, y'all. All right, you guys. So now that I've gotten, I think one more piece. Oh my goodness, one more piece right here. So this is the bag, you guys. Let me just show you. Oh my goodness. And of course, you know your girl will do a close up. It has the little clochette right here. Let me pull that off. And here's the other side. It does have 4 feet on the bottom. It says genuine glove tan peppled leather on the bottom. Y'all, this is just the bee's knees. So this does open. This little turn, the little turn lock style. But it's just here for decor. Really. Y'all, it has the original 1941 little tag right here. This is just, I am speechless. I am speechless. This was $350 US. Y'all. Is this not? Oh my gosh. I'm in love. I love the fact that the hardware on here is gold. So this comes with 2 zippers at the top, 2 pull tabs. So we pull those. Wait a minute. Don't embarrass me. It's the stuffing. Okay. It's fully stuffed. We're going to pull this out to make sure that everything is on the up and up. Here is the bag. When I tell you Coach's packing it's A1. It is freaking superb. The inside is like a suede microfiber. It is like this. It's this color. That is the true color. It's like a caramel color or a mustard in a way. Like, yo, I love it. So on this side, of course, I'm going to do a close-up. But right here, where this, I don't want to give out a finger, but with this finger right here, it is 2 card slots on this side right here. On the other side, there is one right here. It is one large pocket right here. And a little, this right here. This is just the bee's knees. I absolutely love this. This is so, if they made the 25 like this without the snake, I possibly, I would have got the 25, but I can't with the reptiles, honey. But this, okay, so it does come with the black crossbody strap. It is detachable, of course, and adjustable. It has, you know, the 7 holes in here, so you can adjust this. Y'all, I love this. Now, I'm going to, you know, try this on and show you guys, but I really don't think I'm going to use this strap. They have some other like chain straps, but I wanted to see this first before I bought them. So now that I see that I am in love with this, I wonder if I can go in. I'm going to see if I can go to Coach. And if they have it in store, I'll take you guys with me. But look at this. Is she not stunning? Oh my God. Now you guys know I just got the mini, right? The mini Rowan. I'm going to get that one in a minute, but let me stand up and show you guys how this looks on me. Okay, you guys, so this is how it looks on me. As you can see, like I was saying, this strap is not working for the kid. The strap is on the longest setting, and it still hits me right here. I am 5'7", so I mean, it's okay, but I prefer it to be a little longer. With the crossbody strap, I prefer it to be a little longer. But this is just, look at that. So freaking cute. And as a shoulder bag, I very rarely carry a purse like this. Either it's crossbody or in my hand. But here it is from the side. This is so cute. So let me get my mini bag and we'll do a comparison, okay? All right, you guys, so here is my Coach mini Rowan, and here is this one. As you can see, it's not that big of a difference, but here it is from the side. Let me move the straps down. Okay. From the side, as you can see, okay, right here. It's just barely, maybe an inch longer, but the ruby is taller. I love it. I don't care. I absolutely love this. Essentially, are they basically the same size? Yeah, but they're not the same. They're different. Like, how can you not? We love these. So I'm going to do a what will fit, okay? So let me go get my bag for today. All right, you guys, so this is the bag that I was carrying today, my Argan Oil Marc Jacobs tote bag. This bag has been getting all the love. Do you hear me? Love it. Anyway, so let me see what fits in here. Oh, you guys, the other thing is that this bag zips all the way down on the sides. So it opens wider. You can get more stuff up in there. Bonus. Okay. So this bag just got everything. So let me tell you, usually I carry my girl, what's the name of it? My Louis Vuitton pochette accessories. My mini pochette tees. Is that the name of it? Girl, usually I carry my other little Louis bag as like a catch-all, or I carry it as a purse as well, okay? But I have this Toiletry 15, and it just got everything in here. Like, you know, my little hand lotion, gum, my keys that really don't need to be in here. You know, just like little stuff like that. Vaseline, girl, swear by it. So that's why it's not zipped. But anyway, let's see if this fits inside. Let's take that out. Girl, it's in there. Excuse my little receipts and things and stuff. It's in there. So everything else that I carry will probably have to go. Let's see. I put my key ring back in here. Yes. My card case, of course. Let me move my gum up, get my chapstick. Hold on, let me do a little rearranging. Okay, let's move that. Let's arrange this, y'all. Okay. Okay, my keys in there. Put my chapstick on the side. My hand cream. Vaseline. The Vaseline will fit, but it's tight right here at the top. So we won't carry this. Okay? All my other essentials really were in there. You know, my gum, my wet wipe, stuff that I swear by. Now, my phone. I'm team Android, okay? And this is the Galaxy 20, 21, somebody, girl. I don't know. But let's see if my phone will fit. Not with this in here. Not with this in here. So let's take this out. So with that out, will my phone fit? It does fit. Girl, you can't see. Okay, here's. Okay, my phone does fit in here. you guys, but it's a really tight fit. So let me show you with an iPhone if the iPhone will fit. Okay. Okay, here's iPhone 12, whatever. So let's see if this fits. And that fits in there just fine. So my phone is too big, but the iPhone fits just fine. Okay. So we take everything out of this toiletry. I put my keys, my wallet, my lotion, some gum, there, my chapstick, lip gloss. Let's see if these, y'all know, I swear by them. These, let's see. This pack is probably too long. Yeah, this pack is too long, but y'all know I got my individual ones, okay? Put that and zip it up. Everything fits. Everything fits. Now, with everything in here, you definitely feel it. Like, this is heavy. And I don't think, like, I have, you know, nothing outrageous in here. Everything is essential, but you definitely feel the weight. But this is the bee's knees, girl. So, alright, you guys. So, that concludes my video of this cute unboxing of this beautiful Coach Rowan 18 and this beautiful army green multi. What do we think? What do you think? I'm in love. They're the same, but they're different. Okay? I love it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Of course, I will have this link down below for you guys, okay? If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. I love you guys so very much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.